Hello everyone, welcome back. Just want to give you a quick unboxing video of my brand new Universal Audio Apollo Solo USB 3 audio interface for Windows. Yep, got this one because I'm using it with my Windows computer. So here's the box. Pretty good size, not too big, not too small, nice and hefty. Alright, let's slide it out. Nice. Ooh, look at that. Whoa. Now that's a nice presentation. I love it. Nice foam inside. Very nice. All metal, or at least this top. It feels metal. It's cold. Here's the back. Couple mic inputs, couple outputs, USB-C, external power, and a switch, which I love having a dedicated power switch. It's nice. Bottom's all rubber, so that's not going to slide around. High Z input and the headphone output. Let's put that to the side for a moment. What else do we got here? Book. Marketing. Getting started. I'm gonna have to use that. And then some nice little kits with the external power supply. And it looks like it's a universal one with a couple different adapters. Don't need that. Don't need the silica. Bottom cardboard. Let's put that back. And then this side, I imagine it's going to have all those adapters. Yep, a bunch of adapters. Probably only need one of them. Put that aside. Cool. Well, there it is. I'm excited to get to use it. And really excited to see how it improves my workflow, in particular for recording voiceover, being able to track with some processing. I'm excited to try that out. So that's the unboxing video. If you'd like to see more of these, please subscribe. Thanks.